Magnolia Homes, that extra touch.
I think one of the main things I personally liked about Magnolia Homes was the hardwood floors, and when you actually walk in, it's open. The kitchen, the entertainment room, the dining room, everything's open and together, and that's one thing that attracted me to the Magnolia Homes.
They're beautifully well-built homes, and so it provided us with an opportunity to get a beautiful home that we could grow into, but that met everything on our wish list, which we couldn't find anywhere else. And we were just so happy that this was something that we could afford to buy and that we were happy and excited to purchase.
I like the appliances are always nice. It just makes cooking a little more fun when you're actually in the kitchen. Of course, granite, all the faucets and appliances, like I said, are upgraded.
I would say, definitely when people come and visit our house, the things that they comment on the most, that they're kind of the most envious of, would be, the high ceilings. It makes the house feel so much more spacious. Also, the double ovens that we have for cooking. I definitely think we'll be hosting Thanksgiving at our house. And then in the bathroom, it's such an open space, and we have the tub with the jet, and it makes it feel like, I don't know, a high-end.
It's just a lot of detail to the home too, the light fixtures, hardwood floors, and you move in and you don't really have to upgrade anything, everything's done.